there, welcome to my channel. Today I am very excited to film because as I got home from work, I noticed that there was a little package waiting for me. As you know, the Sephora VIB sale happened recently and I did pick up some stuff. You can say that I gave myself an advanced birthday gift, possibly even an advanced Christmas gift. Anyhow, tonight I am filming a Sephora haul. Without any delays, let's jump into it. I want to start this video by sharing the masterpiece behind me. So this is a tree that my little boy made in his pre-K class, and I'm displaying it today because he got home from school and he was so proud to show his dad and I, and to me it's just the most beautiful thing. And then right here you also see a turtle that we painted with him. So right there, my masterpieces. The first product that I will be sharing with you is a cologne that I got my husband, and it is a blue that's Chanel for men. It's this right here, and this is just a scent that they really enjoy, my boys and my husband, because my husband does share his scents with them. It's a very strong, manly scent. I really enjoy smelling this on them. This is just attractive to me. It's just a gorgeous scent for my boys. Sticking to the scent theme, I did pick up the Versace Bright Crystal Absolute perfume, and it's this one right here. It does come in a very beautiful pink bottle, and I just really enjoy this scent. I started by getting a perfume sample from Sephora. I applied it a couple of times. My husband gave me compliments on it, and I decided to buy the big bottle. I am not that into flowery, fruity scents, and that's actually what this is. It's a flowery, fruity scent, but in my point of view, it's just a perfect balance. It's not too overpowering, but it's very strong and girly, feminine, and just, it's even sexy. It's a very, very, very wonderful scent. So as of lately, I've been very interested on skincare products, and I did pick up a few. The first one that I picked up, I blame my sister Jackie for. She did pick up several items before I did, and I got to my mom's house one day. I was picking up the kids, and she's like, hey, I want to show you everything I bought. So she's showing me all these products. My eyes are all lit up because she got a ton of stuff. And then she shows me this product right here, the Tatcha water cream. So she's telling me how people are giving her all these compliments at work and how people already noticed a difference on her skin, and I'm like, I definitely need that. So I did make the purchase, and it's this little cream right here. The packaging is wonderfully beautiful, and I mean, that is what you expect when you pay a price tag like the one this cream has, but I don't know, I heard the product is great, and if it is, maybe it is worth the price tag. I guess I'll update you. The next product that I picked up is the Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare 24K Gold Hydrogel Eye Patches, and it's this box right here. Let me show you what the container actually looks like. It is this very pretty wide pearly with a gold cap. It's a very pretty packaging. Hopefully the product in there is as hydrating as I've heard. I've watched several reviews where people actually say that this is very hydrating underneath the eyes, and as of lately I feel like my under eyes need quite a bit of hydration, so because of that reason I decided to pick this baby up. Sticking to the hydration theme, I have been struggling, like I said a moment ago, with my under eyes just a tiny bit. So this time around I did decide to pick up the Dr. Brandt DNA Triple Peptidite Eye Cream, and it's this product right here. Now the packaging looks gorgeous. It has like a glass cap, and the product itself, at least the little container on the outside, looks like a pearly white. On the inside, the product does look on the thicker side. It looks like a pomade kind of. But hopefully it works well for my under eye area. Again, I have been experiencing dry under eyes, and that doesn't look cute with makeup, so I really need a good cream or a good product that hydrates my under eyes. So if you know about anything affordable that's just wonderful for the under eye area, please let me know on the comments down below, because this is just a very, very pricey item. The one skincare product that had me wondering is the Drunk Elephant skincare line. So Sephora has these sets, and I decided to pick up the Night Bright set. It does have a TLC Framboos Glycolin Night Serum and a Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, and it's this product right here. The containers are small, they are 0.27 ounces each, but people speak wonders about this brand, and since the set is $25, I believe, I decided to give it a try for myself. This is not going to last me a long time, but I do feel like it's going to last me enough to give me a pretty good idea of what the product can do for my skin. Since my skin has been changing, I do currently have an oily T-zone. This area around here is dry on me, and this area, my lip area, is very dry as well. I do like mattifying primers for my T-zone, but as of lately, I don't think like that's working too well for me. So I did want to try something different. I picked up the YSL Touch Eclat Blur Primer, and it's this one right here. The claims are that it is an ideal complexion, instantly illuminated. Pores visibly appear diminished, skin texture is smooth, and skin luminously is boosted. And of course, it does instruct you to apply it underneath your foundation. This is a primer right here, and it looks very nice and pretty. It's a clear gel that has golden flecks, and it just looks very fancy, very nice. Hopefully it does blur imperfections, and it does exactly what it claims to do for me. I'm not asking for anything else, just a primer that smooths my skin and that helps me keep my makeup on for at least 10 hours a day. I'm not asking for a lot. I'm not a picky customer, just those simple little things. So every time there's a VIB sale, I do pick up a foundation, and this time around I decided to pick up something different. I usually restock the Estee Lauder foundation, the Urban Decay foundation, but this time around I decided to pick up the Dior Forever foundation. This is the bottle right here, and it is very nice. It does have an SPF of 35. I picked up the shade 21. Hopefully it works for me. I'm not gonna lie, I was very tempted to open this before I filmed this video and try it on, but I thought, hold on, try it on, give it a fair test, and speak about it on a later video. I am going to be filming a haul update. I will be speaking about how these products worked for me in about a month or so, so stay tuned for that. Anyhow, this foundation seems promising, at least based on the reviews I have read. It had an almost 5-star review on Sephora, so hopefully it works well. The Sephora reviews did mention that it oxidizes a lot, but again, hopefully I just picked the right shade. I did get a little perfume sample. Let me share that with you. I got the Daisy Marc Jacobs perfume sample. It's this one right here. I also picked up an Hourglass Belle primer with my points, and if you've been following me and if you've watched my videos, you know that this is my favorite primer, the Hourglass Mineral Belle. So I decided to pick up a little size of it. We've come to the end of this video. Hopefully you found it interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell button for notifications. Leave your comments and requests down below. And remember that I will be filming an update on this haul. In about a month or so, I will be filming a video telling you what these products did or have done up to that point for me. Anyhow, have a wonderful day, a great evening, a wonderful night. I'll see you around next time. Goodbye.